Sometimes when you get rained off, you're able to move inside on the job and perhaps do some interior work if necessary. Unfortunately for me, I've not managed to escape the rain. Down here in the corner, wet. So I've had a look outside, couldn't see anything obvious, and while stood here when it was raining, I discovered outside this rubber seal here, and the bottom one I want to look at. So we'll just take a look at the seal. So you see the rubber seal outside there, the silt sitting behind with a bit of water. Now I was almost expecting fish to swim past before, so just take a look at what I recorded. So I've put the spirit level on the bead, and let me just take a look at that bubble there, sitting over to the left. Just raise it up a bit, that's more or less, just underneath there. So a couple of mil out, that's where we're getting the water flow from. I'm going to nip outside and I'm going to see what I can put down behind that rubber seal. I did think of feeler gauges, but I've none with me, so I'll see what I'll have a try with. Yeah, clearly there is a big gap there, so I used a piece of aluminium foil folded in half, and that managed to get down the back. So yeah, I mean you could clearly see that the dirt was getting down there, just the water's there. Shocking. So nothing I can do here. This unit either has to come out or the glass is out and replace that seal. So nothing I can do here for now. This needs to dry out before I can do any painting here. The customers decided that they are going to get new windows, but it's only going to be next year. And is there anything I can do to tie them over? So what I will do is I'll use some of this and seal around the bead outside. But first of all, I need to remove as much of that water as possible. I've just got some strips of cloth that I'm going to tuck in behind that seal. I've already dried the window off. Let's just see what we get out. Just need to keep that down there. I've removed as much moisture from behind that seal as possible, and now I can get some sealant on it. Cleaned all the dirt out as well. That's the sealant in. You can see it just there behind the glass. Now, although this is temporary, you still want to keep it neat. So a quick look from outside.